Niki B English with Niki and
Ellie.
Today we will start lesson 13. What season do you like?
오늘 우리는 13단원 What season do you like?를 배울 것입니다.
Our objectives today are to learn the following expressions. What season do you like? I like spring. And I like spring because I can see beautiful flowers. There will be 4 parts.
4가지 활동을 해볼까요?
First, vocabulary.
첫 번째, 어휘를 배워봅시다.
Second, sentences.
두 번째, 문장을 익혀볼까요?
Third, let's practice.
세 번째, 익힌 어휘와 문장을 연습해봅시다.
And fourth, let's review.
네 번째, 복습해봅시다.
Are you ready? Let's get started! First, vocabulary. Listen and repeat in English and Korean.
단어입니다. 우리말과 영어를 듣고 반복해봅시다.
Season,
계절,
winter,
겨울,
spring,
봄,
summer,
여름,
fall,
가을,
cold,
추운,
cool,
시원한,
hot,
더운,
leaf,
잎,
leaves,
잎,
secret,
비밀,
vacation,
방학,
because,
때문에,
go camping,
캠핑하러 가다,
see the beautiful flowers,
예쁜 꽃을 보다,
go swimming,
수영하러 가다,
make a snowman.
눈사람을 만들다.
Second, sentences. Listen and repeat in English and Korean.
이번엔 문장입니다. 우리말과 영어를 듣고 반복해 봅시다.
What season do you like?
너는 어떤 계절을 좋아하니?
I like spring.
나는 봄을 좋아해.
I like spring because I can see beautiful flowers.
나는 아름다운 꽃을 볼 수 있기 때문에 봄을 좋아해.
I like summer because it's hot and sunny.
나는 더워서 여름을 좋아해.
Third, let's practice. I like What season do you like?
What season do you like?
I like because
I like because
Fourth, let's review. Today we learned
오늘 우리는 이것을 배웠습니다.
the expressions. What season do you like? I like spring. I like spring because I can see beautiful flowers. Please review your words and sentences.
단어와 문장을 복습해 주세요.
Thank you for joining us. See you next time. Goodbye.